Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Vanguard Digital Advisor. Vanguard Digital Advisor offers a robust, digitally driven investment platform geared towards long-term investors. This platform provides personalized portfolio management with a focus on low-cost, diversified investments tailored to your specific risk tolerance and financial goals. Their website, located at investor.vanguard.com/advice/digital-advisor, offers a comprehensive overview of their services. A key feature of Vanguard Digital Advisor is its automated rebalancing. This crucial element helps keep your portfolio aligned with your target asset allocation, automatically adjusting your investments to maintain the desired balance over time. This hands-off approach simplifies investing, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, Vanguard Digital Advisor boasts lower advisory fees compared to traditional financial advisors. This cost-effectiveness makes it a compelling option for investors seeking professional portfolio management without the hefty price tag. The platform prioritizes low-cost index funds and ETFs, further contributing to its affordability. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and manage your investments. You can readily access your portfolio performance, make adjustments, and connect with Vanguard's advisory team if needed. They offer dedicated support to answer any questions you might have regarding your investment strategy. While Vanguard Digital Advisor provides a compelling solution for many, it's important to remember that it might not be suitable for everyone. Investors seeking more hands-on control over individual stock selections or those with highly complex financial situations might find other options more appropriate. Be sure to thoroughly research and consider your individual needs before deciding if Vanguard Digital Advisor is the right choice for you. They offer extensive resources on their website to help you make an informed decision. Visiting investor.vanguard.com/advice/digital-advisor will provide you with a wealth of information about the platform, including details on fees, investment strategies, and account minimums. It's highly recommended to explore the website thoroughly before making any investment decisions. As always, remember that investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results.